Good morning everyone. Today I, Brinda Gupta, is going to throw some light on our ATL Marathon project, which is Agro India, presented by Lakshya Goyal and Brinda Gupta of Class 8th F in guidance of Miss Anjum Mendi Rata ma'am from Bal Bhavan Public School. So this is the explanatory video about the features of the app.
A very warmful good morning to you all. Today, I, Lakshya Goyal of Class 8th F studying in Bal Bhavan Public School, will be presenting my agricultural app, which name is Agro India. So let me explain you about my app. Here are the various buttons. When you click on these buttons, you will be getting information regarding to the topic. Let me show you the modern way of farming. Here are the various steps of preparation of crop, and when you will click on a particular button, you will be getting informed about the modern way of technology used in a particular method, like this.
Before the seeds are sown for germination, we must ensure that the soil is ready for farming. This it is the process of soil prep. Sowing seed is the method of sowing seed after preparation of soil. The modern method of sowing seed, managing fertility of soil is done by adding fertilizer and manure. Irrigation is the process of watering plants. The modern methods, weeding is the method of removing weeds. In modern farming and weedicides are invented. The process of cutting and gathering a crop is called harvesting. A harvester can be combined with other. Storing grains is the method of storing grains after harvesting. In modern farming tactics, organic farming is the way in which production is done without any fertilizer, pesticide etc. and natural manure, and crop rotation is done with proper care of crops.
Now next, so we have seen about modern way of technology in Indian farming. Now let's move further and let's learn about how Indian farming can be more technological and can ease the work of farmers. So here are the different methods. Let me show you. Hybrid tractors.
In hybrid mode, the machine uses two sources of energy, diesel and electric, to propel the vehicle. In pure electric mode, solar farms are large-scale solar installations where solar systems are used to harvest the sun power and use solar energy to do various farming activities like irrigation. Hydroponics is a type of hydro farming, which is a method of growing plants without soil and by using mineral nutrients. There should be a proper software or application based on agriculture in which there should be proper record of farming in India. Light number of a sensor is built for monitoring the crop field with the help of sensors light, humidity, temperature, soil moisture, etc. and automating the irrigation system. This sensor can also identify that which plants will take how much pesticide and fertilizer.
Moving further, so basically to make this app more interesting, I've made a game which is also related to agriculture in which you have to catch fruits in a bucket, but you can play this game only on PC or laptop. This game can be like a entertainment for farmer kids. So till now we have learned about technology adopted and which can be adopted to make Indian farming great. So now let's learn about how Indian government helped towards Indian farming, like their budget and ranks. Let me show you.
India's agriculture budget doubled over 5 years to 57,600 crore rupees in 2018-19 under the India's agricultural minister is Shri Narendra Singh Tomar, and official website is agriculture.gov.in. India is occupying 4th position among the world in agriculture category. The top 2 countries above India are China, United States of America, Brazil. Also India is the top 2 producer of. Farmers can call up Kisan Call Center KCC through a toll-free number 1-800-180-1551.
So you have seen when I click the contact number, it will automatically open your contact list and will dial the number. So now last but not the least, I've made a list of different farming products and their average prices, which can help farmers to get a particular idea of prices before they buy from markets. Here are the different products and their average prices. So that was all. Thank you.
Thank you for giving your precious time. Made by Lakshya Goyal and Brinda Gupta, Class 8th F, Bal Bhavan Public School.
Uses of our app. First, this app can ease the work of farmers and can help them. It can educate farmers to involve technologies in Indian farming. It can help farmers to get aware about the government involved in farming, and it can give information about farming products and their average prices so that they can get idea before purchasing and can prevent the fraud from market retailers who sell at expensive prices illegally. So the contributions in making the project are as follows. App is prepared by me, Vrinda Gupta and Lakshay Goel. Explanation of the app is done by Lakshay and the voiceover of PowerPoint presentation is done by Vrinda. And we both contributed in making the PowerPoint presentation and research document. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Thank you.